Navigating the real estate market can be extra tricky right now. Coming up, I've got 5 reasons you might want to really work with a pro. Thanks for checking out the channel. My name is Keith Connors. I'm a realtor broker in the Tampa, St. Pete, Clearwater area on the Florida Suncoast. We love sharing these 2-minute videos with you, helping you answer a lot of your real estate questions. Please, of course, hit the subscribe button, subscribe below. And as always, you can check out over 100 more 2-minute real estate videos. Now, let's talk about the 5 reasons you really do want to consider working with a pro. Navigating the housing market can be extra tricky, especially today. That's why having a real estate pro by your side is crucial. Let's look at 5 ways that we as realtors can help you. First, contracts. We handle all the paperwork and disclosures, of course. There are lots of those, so you don't have to stress about any of that. Second, experience. More deals. We know the sales process inside and out and can guide you every step of the way. Third, negotiation. I like to play good guy, bad guy, and my buyer, that's you, is always the good guy. Let me be the bad guy and help you get your best deal every time. Fourth, industry experts. We explain market conditions, key terms, and keep track of it weekly, making everything clear, and I try to keep things real simple for you. Lastly, and most important, pricing. We use our local market knowledge, find the sweet spot to set the right price, helping you buy or sell at the best value, your best deal. So if you're thinking of making a move soon, be sure you have a real estate pro on your team, and I'd love to see if we'd be a good fit for working together. Finally, remember the 3 rules of real estate: location, location, location. We've added 3 rules of our own: honesty, integrity, and passion. We love the Florida Suncoast. We'd love to help you anytime. And if you're thinking about buying on the Florida Suncoast, the Tampa, St. Pete, Clearwater area, on or near the beaches, we can help. Hit the button, subscribe to this channel below, call us anytime at 855-MR. Beach. Check out homes as well, anytime on our site at MrBeachHouse.com.